Hey guys, this is Rock 24/7. I'm going to be doing a different kind of video right now. This is going to take probably a couple days to do. Reason being is because I'm going to be doing like kind of like a video journal, alright? Let me show you why. Because it's awesome. This is the first computer like this for me, because all the other ones that I've had, they're okay. They couldn't do what I needed them to do with like Wi-Fi and stuff like that. But let me show you. And usually when it comes to computer videos, it's going to be an Apple product. So that's a clue. But this is what I purchased. It's a 17-inch iMac 1.8 gigahertz G5. It's a parts and repair. Now, a common problem with these computers is capacitors going bad, swollen capacitors on the power supply and or the motherboard, or as Apple people need to say, logic board. But that's a picture of it right there. There's a picture of the back of it, and there's a little crack in the corner right there of the screen. It's just the front bezel plastic. I don't mind a little crack. But, look, $65. It was a buy it now. For bidding, it was $55. For buy it now, it was $65. So I hit the buy it now button. Shipping's $10, and it's economy shipping, so it should be here within 7 to 14 business days. So it could be a week, could be 2 weeks. Fun. So let me read you a little bit of the description. He goes, I have an iMac G5 17-inch screen that is a 1.8 gigahertz processor. There's no hard drive, and just for parts of repair, I have no idea what's wrong with it. But here are the symptoms. When the computer was started up, the beach ball would just spin and spin and spin, and the programs were slow. That's it. There's no hard drive as we remove this. Also, I'm gonna get a hard drive from this computer, pull a hard drive out of this computer and put it in there. Because, you know, another thing it could be is just the hard drive was dying. So, I'll need to do that kind of stuff. There's a small crack on the upper left the screen. Other than the beach ball issue, the computer's in great shape. Screen is clear, etc. Keyboard and mouse are not included, but for an extra $25, an Apple keyboard and an optical mouse will be included. The shipping costs are an estimate only. They may be more or less depending on where you live. Obviously, if you live in the next state over, it will be cheaper if you live across the continent. I will send you the shipping costs when I know where you live. Well, he lives in North Carolina. I live in Tennessee. So, I'm the next state over. So, yep. For $75, I got that iMac. And I can't wait for it to get here. Also, I'll need to do a video of this Sansui. I'll probably do that in the meantime. And then this Pioneer CD player I got. Doing it. So yeah. So until later, I'm signing off. Hey guys, I'm back. Today is now, it's Monday night, and I just checked the UPS tracking number, and it said it should be here by Wednesday. So, yeah. I'll come back and update tomorrow and see if it accidentally came early, or, you know, looking forward to seeing what's going on. So, I'll be back with more. Hey guys, this is once again Rock 24/7. I'm back with another update. This is Tuesday night. According to UPS, I got 1 day left and that is here in Chattanooga, and that'll be here by tomorrow here. Let me show you the listing. So, right there is when it was shipped. See that right there? Chattanooga, Tennessee. 8:06 arrival scan. Transit on time. Scheduled delivery Wednesday. By the end of the day. I'm excited. And I'll probably, when I get the camera together, well, not the camera, when I get the Mac, I'm going to throw the whole video together on it, depending on what's wrong with it. So, until next time, I'm signing off. Well guys, it's Wednesday. The time has come. It's here. There it is. The box for my new iMac. This, of course, is the unboxing, and this is a box cutter. Let's see how this goes. Oh, fun, packing peanuts. Alright, let's see this. Alright. See if there's anything I'm missing. There it is. Shazam. My iMac G5. This is the 1.8 gigahertz. Not bad. A little crack in the screen right here, up in the corner. Solar set that. Screen's in good shape. There's no hard drive, so I'll have to do something about that. Okay, well here are the ports. Got digital headphone out, input, mini DVI, 3 USB, 2.0, FireWire 400, modem, and of course your Ethernet or Ethernet. Alright, now let's toss that over there. More packing peanuts. Awesome. Let's grab a power cord. Plug it in. Alright. This is the first boot, no hard drive, just a power on test. Oh. Well, I'm gonna take it apart and take a look inside and see what all needs to be done. Since this is a G5, they have problems with capacitors, so that's one of the things I'm gonna check. So until later, this is my unboxing. Loves to Rock 24/7 is signing off.